Happy birthday, Sign With Courtney. In honor of 8 years of offering American Sign Language content through my website, I've designed a new full-length class that includes all of the concepts that I think are the true fundamentals of American Sign Language. All of the content will be free on YouTube and later integrated into an easy-to-navigate course on my website. The nice part is that no book will be needed. I hope you'll join me for the fundamentals of American Sign Language coming soon to the Sign With Courtney channel. I'll be phasing out the signwithcourtney.wordpress.com website and switching over to signwithcourtney.com. For those of you who have been watching and signing with me from the beginning, I'm honored to be offering you more content today. This definitely wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of you. But hey, I'm still planning to make other videos too, so drop me a comment as well and let me know what kind of ASL content you're looking for. As always, thanks for watching.